Tiny but big LED alarm. Small but bright flashlight. Small but effective whistle. Safemate is a friend who protects me. Safemate 4. A time when you have to wear a mask. Whistle blowing by hand. Don't panic over sudden accidents. Small enough to fit in your pocket. Detachable strong magnetic clip. Keeps you safe. Dark nights are always a threat to women. Safemate is a guiding light to safety. LED flash. Powerful alarm sound. With Safemate, you are not alone. With Safemate, you are always safe. Various usages while fishing, hiking, and sports, etc. Easy charging anytime, anywhere. Tiny but reliable friend. Safemate 4.